Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy INSUR token on Huobi Exchange. The first step you want to do is to visit Huobi official website and create an account on Huobi Exchange. Once you have created an account, you will need to complete the KYC process and deposit funds into your account. To do this, click on the Deposit button. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. In this case, we will deposit USDT. Copy the USDT deposit address and paste it into your external wallet to transfer funds. Once the transfer is complete, your funds will be reflected in your Huobi Exchange account. Now, let's buy some INSUR tokens. To buy INSUR tokens, go to the trading page and select INSUR as the trading pair. Then, enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend on INSUR tokens. You can either set a limit order, where you specify the exact price you want to pay, or a market order, where you buy at the current market price. Once you have set your order, click on Buy INSUR to complete the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully bought INSUR tokens on Huobi Exchange. Remember to always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching and happy trading!